For many people, there is a great deal in opening the packaging of a new item. Part of the excitement comes from seeing the new product nested inside its pristine packaging that has kept it fresh. That is particularly true for food items. But packaging isn't just a fancy or stylish covering for finished products. It also keeps contaminants out and protects the product through various stages of distribution before it arrives at its final destination.
Hi, and welcome to another edition of Bazaar. The topic today is packaging systems of all sorts. We'll explore some of the industries that require packing and packaging for their products. Also, we want to discover how packaging as a down-the-line industry has advanced Iran's market and economy, both nationally and internationally. So don't go, have a look.
Companies that manufacture and produce items are led to formulating how their items can be marketed. An important aspect of marketing a product is how to preserve the product from external damage, as it takes the long journey from factories to your home. So for this reason, industries have designed automated machinery that can package this food item in a closed circuit. This ensures that a product is safe from outside contaminants. So, it is faster. The golden words in mass production for industries in development are speed and efficiency.
Consistency and production quality is key to developing sustainable economic growth. Nothing could be more true for Iran's industrial sectors. Mechanizing the workflow of production is essential for continuous manufacturing. It also helps streamline products into the market faster. But where do packaging machines come from? Who makes them? And how have these automated production line machinery become an industry of their own?
Our quest for answers took us to Tarsan Pack Company. It was first established in 1989. This company essentially makes automated machinery for packing and packaging for production.
الحمدلله ما هم تونستیم ماشینامون رو به گونه‌ای طراحی و اجرا کنیم که الان در دورترین نقاط کشور با تخصص‌های خیلی کم ماشینامون در حال کاره و ما الان واقعا ماشینی داریم که در زنجان حدود 30 ساله داره کار میکنه. در تجهیزات پزشکی هست برای بسته‌بندی ست سرم و میکروست. الحمدلله تونستیم در این چند سالی که فعالیت داریم شاید بتونم بگم که حدود 100-150 تا شرکت‌های مختلف از ما ماشین‌های متعدد و خریدن و الحمدلله تونستن تولیداتشون رو به خوبی انجام بدن.
But not all packaging is the same for the countless products that are offered in the market. Depending on the features of a product, different types of containment are more appropriate than others. For example, for sensitive pharmaceutical products like vaccines, packaging is just everything. This company produces thermoforming machinery and packing mechanisms for all sorts of products, including food items and pharmaceuticals. The products of this company are as diverse as the industrial needs of each of its customers. Its products perform all the fundamentals of clean and standard packing with high quality.
ترموفورمینگ برای ساخت ظروف مختلف پزشکی، صنایع غذایی هم لبنی هم پروتئینی هم سالاد و شوریجات و ترشیجات استفاده داره. دستگاه بیلیسترینگ مشابه دستگاه ترموفورمینگ منتها برای محصولات دارویی. عرض کنم خدمتتون که روی دستگاه فیلینگ کپینگ هم به همین سبک عرض کردم. فیلینگ کپینگ های دارویی که این شرکت سازندش هست انحصارش رو تو خاورمیانه داریم. روی دستگاه کارتونینگ هم به همین سبک. عرض کنم خدمتتون که روی اون دستگاه هم استانداردهای GMP و راهی رو از کشور آلمان داریم.
Some of the major customers of this company are in the pharmaceutical industry who use the gelatinous capsule production devices and blister packing machines.
دستگاه‌های مختلفی ما می‌سازیم از جمله دستگاه‌های ترموفورمینگ، کارتونینگ، فیلینگ و کپینگ و در حقیقت بلیسترینگ که صنایع غذایی، دارویی و تجهیزات پزشکی رو شامل میشه.
The blister packing machine is a modern machine that is used for packing pills and medicines or certain food products. This company manufactures the machines with the specific needs of the types of products it will be packaging. These machines are an inseparable part of pharmaceutical companies.
Basically, packaging has three main functions: in the product, protect and preserve it, and to communicate something to its customers. When a product leaves the production line, it's in the best possible shape of its life. No product ever improves during its distribution journey to the end user. You have probably noticed by now just how important this part of production is to industries.
Other customers of this company are in the food and beverage industries of Iran, such as meat productions. The most popular machine for these businesses are the skin pack machine, which vacuum seals food products to preserve freshness. Other machines that are engineered here, which are used in this sector, are those for filling and capping various types of bottles. Another key product at this company is its cartoning machines. These machines are used for cosmetics and other pharmaceutical materials. Cartoning machines come in various types that can pack bottles, various types of tubes, such as toothpaste, or other items like hair dryers and more. All of these machines are fully automated and have reduced the hands-on aspect of the operator, which ensures consistency and quality of the final product. Probably the most unique advantage of the machines made here are their ability to directly connect to production lines. This technology is certified based on the type of packaging needs of the products. For example, pharmaceutical manufacturers must obtain the necessary safety and standardization permits from the Food and Drug Administration of Iran. Therefore, this company must also adhere to the same standards of production in manufacturing its machines.
باعث شد که به اجبار خیلی ها به هم اعتماد کنن و با هم همکاری کنن و همدیگر رو تکمیل کنن، کامل کنن و رشد لازمه رو در هر زمینه‌ای که با هم کار میکنن ایجاد کنن. مثلا اگر فرض کنیم که این تعداد کارخونجاتی که عرض کردم از ما ماشین خریدن، به هیچ عنوان امکان این که برن ماشین خارجی بخرن نبود و یا بایستی از اون اهدافشون صرف نظر میکردن و مثلا کارخونه‌ای که میخواستن ایجاد کنن و ایجاد نمیکردن، یا بایستی که با من وارد مذاکره میشدن یا با ترسام وارد مذاکره میشدن و میخریدن. مسلماً این اجبار باعث شد که هم شرکت ترسام تعداد ماشین‌آلات بیشتری رو بسازه، هم رشد کیفیتی بهتری رو داشته باشه و همینطور که الان هم میدونید یه برند بشه.
It might be interesting to know that Iran has a very large food and beverage industry. So far this year, around $6 billion worth of food products were exported. That is around 6 million tons of food which was sent to international markets. This amount of export would not have been possible without proper packaging. But who builds the complex technology and how are they made?
This knowledge-based company employs over 3 including engineers and expert academic professors. It is also registered at the Bureau of Science and Technology of the Presidential Office.
ما حدوداً 10 الی 15 طراح داریم، با دانشگاه‌های مختلف هم در ارتباط هستیم، با دکترای مختلف تو زمینه‌های مختلف در ارتباط هستیم. سعی می‌کنیم که حالا الگوهایی که حالا از دستگاه‌های خارجی مشابه‌هایی که هستن داخل کشورهای اروپایی و آمریکایی از اونها استفاده کنیم، ولی خب خیلی‌هاش هم اصلا مشابهی نداره، یعنی صرفاً از 0 تا 100ش اینجا کاملاً طراحی میشه. ایده‌های خلاقانه بعضی از پرسنل خودمون هستش که اینجا اجرا میشه، طراحی میشه، کشیده میشه، شبیه سازی میشه، رو کاملا شبیه سازی میکنیم. اگر از نظر عملکرد و کارایی هیچ مشکلی ایجاد نکرد، بعد در حقیقت قطعاتش نقشه میشن و میره برای مرحله بعدیش که ساخت است.
This company uses modern technology and engineering software to design the mechanized workflow systems. It does so by incorporating three-dimensional designs that can be virtually simulated. This helps detect mechanical flaws and system controls that are necessary for corrections and improvements. By maintaining direct cooperation with research and academic institutions, the company is able to advance its mechanical and electrical engineering to match machines with modern needs. Like many other manufacturers in this industry, it also maintains links with food and medical in order to create machines for these industrial applications as well.
شرکت ترسام رو اصطلاحاً به دو بخش تقسیم می‌کنیم. یه بخشش میشه شرکت مرکزی ترسام که همیشه در حال نوآوری و آرندی و ایجاد محصولات جدید هست که الان همینطور که عرض کردم خدمتتون 2-3 تا ماشین جدید در حال طراحی و اجرا هستیم. بخش دیگه‌ش هم میشه بخش تولیدی که الان قصدمون اینه که 4 تا واحد تولیدی بزنیم.
The company has completed over 140 projects leading to streamlining products. It also exports packaging machinery to various countries such as Germany and others in neighboring regions.
ما ماشینالاتمون الان هم تو آلمان ما ماشینای پرکن داریم، هم توی سوئیس داریم، هم تو ازبکستان 2 تا خط کامل تولید سرنگ رو داریم که واقعاً خیلی براشون مهم بود و تبلیغات خیلی زیادی انجام دادن. در عراق ماشینالاتی رو داریم، ماشینالات بسته‌بندی و تولید برای آب و محصولات گوشتی، پروتئینی.
The quality of its machines has prompted domestic and international acknowledgement due to its years of research in engineering automation. Also, the company has acquired the necessary certifications and standardization permits from international regulatory systems. Such permits and certifications have helped companies like this one to maintain their competitive edge in various markets.
We'll be sitting down with a photographer and 2 illustrators. But before we get to know them, let's take a stroll back in time.
One of the industries that has heavily depended on the production machinery we mentioned moments ago is the pharmaceutical industry. Historically speaking, Iran has been very important to the world of medicine. Today, Iran's domestic pharmaceutical industry is one of the most developed in the regions of West Asia and North Africa.
Iran's pharmaceutical industry is viewed as a strategic sector, and the country is soon to become a future research hub. The International Science Rankings Institute has ranked Iran as 15th worldwide for research in the pharmaceutical industry. It highlighted Iran's standing with achievements made by internationally recognized biomedical centers such as Pasteur Institute. International sanctions have obliged Iran to evolve and step away from importing its pharmaceutical needs. Now, nearly 97% of all domestic pharma needs are locally manufactured. Based on the World Health Organization, all the medicine in the latest version of its list of essential medicines are available in Iran. But some life-saving and vital medicines for rare medical conditions still need to be imported. There are around 100 pharma manufacturing companies active in Iran, with more than 60 plants committed to producing almost 40 billion drug units annually. The domestic pharma market was worth $3.3 billion in 2019. Its exports last year were worth $50 million. The one mentioned in this program have been key in aiding locally made products and supplying domestic demands. With their help, the country has reduced its dependence on imports while increasing its capacity to export numerous items.
Okay, it's now time to pass the show to my good colleague out there for a new adventure. I'll see you in a while.
Have you ever thought about how big of a role trees play in our everyday life? Whether it's money to interior designing goods and even buildings, they're absolutely everywhere. We're at a company that makes buildings completely from wood, from start to finish. Let's see what they have in store for us.
Among the alternatives for regular concrete constructions, wooden cabins occupy the top spot. A wooden cabin is the most preferred holiday home for people who wish to spend their vacation in a peaceful environment. At Balmabehesh Parsian, a wooden cabin represents class and grace. It has a beautiful structure that is aesthetically pleasing, as well as the strength to endure even the severest of weathers.
This company prides itself on hiring fresh, new students. It is their bright, young minds that pave the way for the future. Innovation is what gives any company the leaders, and here it is absolutely no different. Houses made from trees are sustainable, renewable, and environmentally friendly. Wooden structures absorb and store atmospheric CO2, and that wood, even taking into account haulage, is carbon neutral. 0.8 tons of carbon emissions are saved for every cubic meter of wood which is used in construction. Therefore, if a home uses 20 cubic meters of wood, that's a saving of 16 tons in carbon. In context, 16 tons of carbon is the same amount of carbon produced by driving 90,000 kilometers, as a very crude estimate. Using wood in construction, whether it's a complete construction really does have a positive impact on climate change. Please introduce your company.
شرکت ما یه شرکت ساختمانی است. تو حوزه صنعت ساختمان فعالیت می‌کنیم. یکی از شاخه‌های فعالیت صنعت ساختمان که ما فعال هستیم، در واقع صنعت چوب و سازهای چوبی هست.
Technology for the production of wooden prefabricated houses suggests their manufacture from natural materials, which many scientists believe is a way to live closer to nature, which in turn leads to prolonged life expectancy. Prefabricated houses have less weight, which in turn reduces the cost of pouring the foundation and allows in areas with groundwater, which implies a greater rigidity and stability of prefabricated houses to earthquakes. Construction of prefabricated houses is 5 to 10 times faster than the time required to build a solid house. Tell us what products you make in your company.
محصولات چوبی که ما فعالیت می‌کنیم در واقع چوبای فراوری شده هست که در سازه‌های ساختمانی ازش استفاده میشه و بر یک اساس دانش و فناوری و متد روز دنیا با توجه به تحقیقات و بررسی‌هایی که کردیم نیاز جامعه ایران دیدیم که بتونیم این رو در واقع فرهنگ‌سازی بکنیم و در سرزمین ایران یه سری باغشهرها و سازه‌های چوبی رو احداث بکنیم.
What you see here is the construction of a wooden table. Just like their buildings, all non-electrical appliances are also made from wood. It's important to note that all buildings come fully furnished with their own goods. Wooden cabins are the perfect homes for those who prefer a natural way of life. The primary element, wood, which is used to construct these cabins, is naturally available and offers several benefits. Wood is a good natural insulator, which means that the interiors of the house remain relatively warm in the winter. It reduces the need to install a heater. Log cabins require less energy during the construction throughout their lifetimes. It is easier to assemble the logs of wood to build a wooden cabin, thereby reducing energy consumption. Due to their insulating properties, the energy consumption for heating or cooling them also reduces. Piece by piece, all that hard work goes together to build this beautiful house. Not only is it energy efficient, it's lightweight, transportable, and can even withstand the toughest of natural disasters. Tell us a little bit about the characteristics of your company that sets you apart from your competitors.
در واقع ساختمان‌های چوبی در کشورهای اروپایی و آمریکایی که اونا سال‌هاست دارن از این سازها، ما اومدیم یه الگوبرداری از اونا کردیم. اما مبنای کار، اصل کار، ریشه کار در کجا نهفته است؟ این هست که ما بتونیم تو سرزمین خودمون با توجه به ایران 13 تنوع اقلیمی داره، کشور 4 فصلی هست و از لحاظ موقعیت جغرافیایی بسیار موقعیت خیلی خوبی داره. رساله کار ما این هست که ما بتونیم در کنار کلان شهرها در واقع فرهنگ سازی بکنیم، یه سری باغ شهرهایی را ایجاد بکنیم با توجه به اینکه هیچ گونه آلودگی زیست محیطی و هیچ گونه تخریب محیط زیست نخواهد داشت. ببینید ساختمان‌های چوبی یه سازه‌های بسیار سبکیه. 1، 2، مقاوم تا 7.5 ریشتر در برابر زلزله هست و قابلیت جابجایی داره. خیلی هم سریع در واقع ساخته و اجرا.
Whatever your preferences are, Bab Behisht Parsian can have a log cabin designed to fit your lifestyle and your likes. These cabins come in a wide range of sizes, designs, and styles too. Do you have a sizable cabin for your garden or have just enough for one room? You can have the cabin designed to fit any garden size ranging from penthouses, modern gardens, and even with modern windows.
What are your future endeavors for your company?
برای اهداف شرکت ما در واقع دنبال توسعه پایدار هستیم. یعنی شغل ایجاد کرده باشیم، کارآفرینی کرده باشیم، جوانان را مشارکت داده باشیم، در واقع منافع و سودش به دولت، به حکومت، به نظام و به خود شرکت گذار و سرمایه پذیر و مشارکت عمومی در واقع کل جامعه درگیر پروژه باشن، همه به یه نوعی سود و منفعت ببرن و اون جامعه رو بهش میگن توسعه پایدار که بتونیم رشد و شکوفایی و پیشرفت در جامعه ایجاد بکنیم.
Wooden cabins have existed for centuries, but recently there's growing interest in them. Living in large cities is taking a toll on the health of people who have now started showing interest in wooden cabins as their weekend or vacation homes. This allows them to recover both physically and mentally. These factors make wooden cabins a viable investment option. Not only do they offer a comfortable and relaxing living environment, they also appreciate in value. Even from a purely business perspective, wooden cabins offer a high return on investment. The financial value of wooden cabins appreciate considerably and quickly.
Do you ever dream of a cozy lakeside retreat? What about your own private villa alongside the mountains? Do you enjoy nature and would like to preserve the beauty of it? If so, then a wooden cabin may be perfect for you. And where better to look than right here.
With that being said, let's now review some of the newest trends and discoveries in the ever-growing technology industry in Iran. The first national conference for creative and entrepreneurial women in the fields of high-tech development was held recently.
The two-day event was organized by the National Innovation Fund. Its mission was to honor and support women who are active in the fields of high-tech innovation. The conference was also an opportunity to seek out talents and develop networks. Based on data from the National Innovation Fund, the CEOs of about 11% of knowledge-based companies are women. Also, more than half of Iran's university graduates are women. Participation of Iranian women in research and development has also increased above the global average in Iran. These figures show the prominent role of women in the advanced fields of science, technology, and innovation.
In parallel with international trends, Iran is constructing an industrial pharmaceutical city near the capital city of Tehran.
The government-backed industrial pharmaceutical worth around $2 billion. This project is intended to be a hub for research and development in the pharmaceutical sector. This unique industrial city will also house biotechnology manufacturers and other startups active in the pharmaceutical industry. Also, it is intended to be packed with the necessary resources for manufacturing all sorts of pharmaceuticals, diagnostic kits, and pharmaceutical packaging materials.
An Iranian knowledge-based company has designed and manufactured an industrial machine that produces face masks.
Local experts at this company say the homegrown machine enjoys upgraded features compared to foreign models. The machine was patented through Iran's patent center. But this isn't the only machine the company has managed to manufacture. It also has the knowledge to produce industrial machines for food, cosmetics, and medical industries. Around 100 Iranian inventions have been granted patents by the International Patent Office this year. The government is helping local inventors obtain international patents through the Iran Patent Center.
And with that, we wrap up our program for today. See you next week.